All right, so let's talk about the new product that is coming soon. So this is from Maki. This is the new DLZ Creator Adaptive Digital Mixer for podcasting and streaming. Streaming, oh yeah. When we see streaming, yeah, this is gonna be interesting. So this is interesting device because it's gonna be similar like the Rodecaster Pro 2 or the upcoming Rodecaster Duo, which is interesting in my opinion. And now with this podcasting, should I say, culture, everybody's doing podcasting, which nothing's wrong with that. I think it's gonna be popular in my opinion. So let's see actually what this all about. Obviously this is from YouTube, but I will not play this. If this is from Maki, I think it should be okay. But let's see if I hope this is not copyright for some reason. So we have three interesting options. We have easy mode. Let's go back now. So we have easy. Oh, I missed it. Come on. I will stop it now. So we have the easy mode, we have the enhanced mode, and we have the pro mode. What this will do basically is, if you don't know nothing about audio, if you do the easy mode, basically this will make everything easy for you, as says on the name. And something very interesting is that this product will provide with 80 dB of gain, so you can easy power the notoriously low Shure SM7B, which has been, I mean, it's been very, very bad for some people because you need to buy extra cloud lifter or dynamite or any inline preamp that you need to connect to your audio interface. So we have the easy, enhanced, and pro mode. As we can see here, we have 4 combo jacks, which is pretty nice. So you can do podcasts with 4 people, which is decent. You have the 48 phantom power, and you basically start to record your podcast, which is pretty nice. Probably you can hear my my MacBook is just kicking the fan off. So yeah, pretty nice. And also we have the price of this product already, which I think is gonna be $799 USA dollars. That's a quite hefty price in my opinion, but you get a lot. You get a lot with this product. I think it's gonna be popular. The LZ Creator from Maki. I mean, let's be honest. Maki actually, it's even older, if I'm not wrong, from I think a Rode company. I think they doing mixers a long time. And let me see. So we have the price $799.99 in United States. This is gonna be interesting product. Easy, enhanced, and pro. As you can see, built-in smart. So I mean, the price in my opinion is okay, $800, and you have. This is massive 10.1 inch display that you have, touchscreen, which is massive. Let me know, what do you think? We have the 4 combo jacks. We have all the specs here, so you can check all the specs. Quite popular product in my opinion. We'll see if it's gonna be a popular product. Personally, I think the price is quite high in my opinion. I know you get a lot of interesting stuff here, but I think it's quite high. So this is gonna be the Maki DLZ Creator edition, should I say? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this product. Are you planning to buy this product? Let me know. Do you think it's going to be a popular product? Personally, I think will not be a popular product because the price, and what they did basically is just they put a 10-inch screen here. You have all the faders, all the smart buds. Probably it's going to be a good product, but personally I think will not be very successful. I think. So there we have it. This is the Mackie DLZ Creator Edition. See you in the next video.